guys, I'm Kim. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a continuation of the galaxy pour that I did last week, and I'm using some tiles that I had. I had painted on them before. They didn't sell, so I'm gonna paint over them and turn them into coasters. So it's and so I'm using, I had little bits of the paint left from last week's pour, so I decided to go ahead and get that used up with green and peach and yellow and blue and white and gold and copper, you name it. We got the whole pot in there. So let's get to it.
All right, guys, so I'm using most of the same colors as last week. This is the Artist Loft White. I'm also going to be using maybe a little bit of the Decoart Gold, 24 karat gold. I'll be using the Artist Loft Black. Some of this dark blue green, that was my own mix. Definitely the Artist Loft Bronze, the Azo Yellow, the Azo Orange, and then my own mix of a melon color and then a red with light coral. And then I'm just going to layer these in the cup, and I think I've decided, even though I'm layering them the same, I'm going to use two different techniques and just kind of see what we get here. I'm going to do a galaxy pour on one and then a flip cup on the other. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep pouring and let you guys watch, and we'll see what happens at the end. Well, as you can see, these are very different. I really like the Galaxy Straight Pour. not so much the flip cup.
All right, guys, these tiles are dry, and wow, somehow same exact paints layered in the cup the same exact way, and I got two completely different results from doing two different techniques. So here's the first one. This was the straight pour galaxy pour. I really like this one. I think it looks really cool. Although despite torching it a whole bunch, I got weird little divots. I don't know if you can see them in the camera. Maybe you can't, I don't know. But I still like this. I think this looks really cute. And then the other one, this one, oh, I don't like this at all. Somehow the black and the bronze are everywhere. There's very little green. And again, I got those weird little divots despite torching it a whole bunch. So I'm not caring for this one as much. This was the flip cup. So I think the moral of the story is those colors do not do well for a flip cup. Anyways, if you liked this video, click the like, the subscribe, leave me a comment, and keep coming back. And we'll see you next time. Bye.